Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video you will learn how to can insert an image into a text. So let's get started. First we will go to elements and choose a shape. Here I will choose a rectangular shape and increase the size of this shape and change the color into black. Now go to text and type your text. Here I will type a bird. Bring it here, change the color into white. Now change the font into your desired font. I will choose on done and increase the size of this text. And put it into the center. Now go to share button and download this text and upload it to the Canva. Now add another page and go to elements and search for bird. There are so many stock photos. You can search any image. I will choose this one and increase the size of this. Now we will go to uploads and bring this image here and remove the background of this text. Now go to edit option and go to duotone. Change the color of this shape. Go to cherry and change the color of the shadow into white. Now increase the size of this shape. Now again go to share button and download this. Select the current page and done. So we will upload this again. So this is how you can add image into any text. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.